Hey guys, it's joyitohann and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I installed this passion twist we made. If you want to see how I installed this, please subscribe and keep on watching. Thank you. So guys, we're going to be using the rubber band method to install our passion twist, and this is how mine is being sectioned. I had a total of 52, and if you want to see how I did this, let me know in the comment section below so I can show you how I sectioned mine. So we're going to be needing a crochet hook and something like this just to section our hair. So we made this passion twist from scratch in our last video, so if you haven't seen that, I would be linking it up here so you can go check it out after this video. Now that the passion twist is under the rubber band, you just want to tighten your hair a little bit, just a little bit. Please don't make it too tight. So grabbing a small amount of my gel, I'm going to be using that to slick down my natural hair as much as possible. So I'll be plaiting this like 3 to 4 times just to give the roots that added security before twisting. I was also applying a small amount of gel while twisting, just to slick down any flyaways on my passion twist. I also added gel to the ends just to keep it defined. So guys, I made a bit of error on the second and third twist, so I just left it so y'all can learn from this. I loved the twist pattern I had on the first passion twist, but the second and third were looking way different, and that was because I twisted them in the wrong direction. At this point, my twists were not looking uniform, especially the second and the third, so what I had to do was to loosen them and twist them in the opposite direction, and that way I got a more uniform twist. And guys, please make sure you maintain that twist direction so all your twists can look uniformed. So guys, I went to do most of them off camera and I made a very few changes to how I was doing this hairstyle, so I'll be showing you that right now. So guys, one of the changes I made was that after adding the gel to my natural hair, I decided to also twist them. And guys, passion twist is actually a very loose twist, so to make this hairstyle last a bit longer, I would advise we twist our natural hair just to prevent any flyaways. And the other change I decided to make was to tie a little knot at the end of the passion twist, just to prevent the twist from loosening. So guys, we're done. Let me know in the comment section if you liked this tutorial, and also if you'll be trying out this hairstyle. I also added mousse to my hair just to add extra hold. And also don't forget to watch how we made this passion twist from scratch with just a pack of braiding hair. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in my next one. Bye.